Hey, my name's Bob Sogla, and I am from Minnesota, where we have lots of trees. And I did not want to deal with gutters. I just bought a house that has gutters on it, and I wanted to make sure that they were sealed up correctly and done right. So I spent some time on the internet, Googled around, and looked for what seems to be the best company to solve my issues. And clearly, LeafFilter was way ahead of the game from its other competition. So I gave them a call, and they came out, and I don't remember the name of the individual, but he was quite pleasant and explained their product and their process, and showed me a few ways where I could save some money with running it through a credit card and paying it all at once and things like that to make it easier for me and to save some money on it. Yeah, they did a professional job. Then the following couple days later, the guys came out and they did a wonderful job. And I'm very happy, very satisfied with their product, and knowing that I've got the guarantee that goes with it. So I'm very happy with their product.